વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, લેક્ચર નંબર 3 આપણે સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ મિત્રો. લેક્ચર નંબર 3 ની અંદર થોડાક એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ મેં લખી રાખેલા છે. વન બાય વન આ એક્ઝામ્પલોથી આપણે ટ્રાય કરીને બીજા એક્ઝામ્પલ સોલ્વ કરવા પ્રયત્ન કરશું. લિમિટ x tends to -1. Here odd power, here even power, x tends to -1. Now see here, limit x tends to -1, odd power +1, even power -1. તો આ લિમિટ માટે શું જોવાનું છે? So keep this form in mind. Limit variable tends to constant, variable raised to n minus constant raised to n over variable minus constant is equal to n time constant raised to n minus 1. At that time, what we have to see? Variable tends to constant. See, in almost all sums, this information is given to us, variable raised to n. Rest of thing we have to arrange. Clear? Now observe, in this sum, numerator power 21 is there, denominator quantity power 8 is there. How we arrange it? Please see here. Limit x tends to -1. What we need? X raised to 21 minus -1 raised to 21. Of course, yes. Variable raised to n, we have to arrange constant raised to n over variable minus constant, and variable tends to constant. That thing we have to arrange. આ એક જ આપણે આપેલું હોય, ચલની n ઘાત. આ અચળની n ઘાત, ચલ માઇનસ અચળ, અને ચલ ટેન્સ ટુ અચળ. એ આપણે ગોઠવવું પડે. તો એનો આન્સર શું આવે? n અચળ રેઝ ટુ n -1. So here it is clear. See, x raised to 21 -1 raised to 21 comes out -1, minus minus +1. What we need? We need x minus -1, chal minus constant. So multiplied and divide by it. Now arrange denominator quantity. Denominator quantity x raised to 8. Can I write here -1 raised to 8? Yes, of course, we can write it. Multiply and divide by that thing. Clear? Now almost is completed. Now see here, this term as well as this term got cancelled. We get this part in numerator and this part in denominator quantity, and of course it is of this form. So that is equal to limit x tends to -1, x raised to 21 -1 raised to 21 upon x minus -1 over limit x tends to -1, x raised to 8 -1 raised to 8. See here, we can write here -1 raised to 8 as a even power. That comes out -1. Sorry, +1. So, but why we need to pick -1 raised to 8? આવું શું કામ કરવું પડે? Because of variable is x and constant is -1. So variable raised to n, constant raised to n over variable minus constant. And put the region. X tends to -1 implies x plus 1 not equal to 0. So we can cancel this factor from numerator as well as denominator quantity. અંશ અને છેદમાંથી આપણે આ ફેક્ટરને કેન્સલ કરી શકીએ. Clear? Yes. Now it is of the form. What is the answer? 21 minus 1 raised to 21 minus 1. 8 minus 1 raised to 8 minus 1. 21 minus 1 raised to 20, even power, upon 8 into minus 1 raised to 7. Here we get 21, here we get minus 8. Clear? So this is the answer. Next part માટે example જોઈએ. Now see here. Now all of you are able to solve this question as well as this one. So this two question is for you. Now see here. X tends to minus 2. X raised to 6 is even power. Here is odd power. So likewise this one, I'm going to take one more example. See, let us consider limit x tends to minus 2, x raised to 4, 2 raised to 4, that is 2 raised to square into 2 raised to 4. That comes out 4 into 4, 16. Over I am taking x cube plus 8. Now see here. Here even power, here odd power. Clear? So I am taking in that way. Here x tends to minus 2 also. So I am going to leave this sum is also for you. Let us solve this one. Now how to solve that thing? You can see that according to format, arrange. What we need to arrange? We need to arrange by likewise. Limit x tends to minus 2. Here x raised to 4 minus 2 raised to 4. Agree with me? Yes. X cube minus minus 2 cube. Yes or no? Yes. Now limit x tends to minus 2, x raised to 4 minus 2 raised to 4 over x minus minus 2. So multiplied and divide by it. આવું શા માટે આપણે કરીએ છીએ? Because in denominator quantity what we want? We want variable minus constant. So multiply and divide by it. It is not there. So we need to multiply and divide by it. Now see. In denominator quantity x cube minus 2 cube. Minus 2 cube. Over x minus minus 2. Here also x minus minus 2. Now once again on same line, please see here. Here we get this vector as well as this vector get cancelled in next step. So in next step it is of that form. Which one? Limit x tends to minus 2, x raised to 4 minus minus 2 raised to 4 over x minus minus 2. In denominator quantity, limit x tends to minus 2, x cube minus 2 cube over x minus minus 2. Now it is of the form that is equal to 4 into minus 2 cube, 3 into minus 2 square. So 4 into minus 8, 3 into 4. So what we get? Minus 8 by 3. Now all of you are able to solve this question also. Clear? Now observe this one. Here power is 7, here power is 3, here power is minus 1. So I would like to take this example, this one, and I am leaving this example as well as this example for you. Let us see this type of question. Well, write it in next page. Limit h tends to 0. That is, let us write 6 plus 2h raised to minus 1 minus 6 raised to minus 1 over h. Over h. Now once again, everybody, please see here, whenever we want to apply this standard form, variable tends to constant, variable tends to constant, variable raised to n minus constant raised to n over variable minus constant. At that time, only this information is given to us. Rest of part we have to arrange. ચલ tends to અચળ, ચલની n ઘાત માઇનસ અચળની n ઘાત છેદમાં ચલ માઇનસ અચળ આપેલા હોય ત્યારે આપણી પાસે ખાલી આ જ માહિતી હશે, ચલની n ઘાત. આ રેસ્ટ ઓફ પાર્ટ બાકીના ભાગને આપણે એરેન્જ કરવા પડે, ગોઠવવા પડે. In our case, all of you see, this is the variable raised to n. This is given to us. We need to have constant raised to n over variable minus constant. Now see, that is equal to limit h tends to 0. 6 plus 2h raised to minus 1, 6 raised to minus 1 over we need 2h. So multiplied and divided by 2. Clear? 1 minute. Now we can take this one as a constant quantity. So take it outside. Limit variable raised to n minus constant raised to n over what we need? We need variable minus constant. So add 6 and subtract 6. Now it is of this form. See, variable raised to n minus constant raised to n. What we need to arrange? We need to arrange variable tends to constant. So can I write here 6 plus 2h tends to 6? Yes, put the reason. H tends to 0 implies 6 plus 2h tends to 6. Put here h is equal to 0, what we get? 6. Clear? Now totally this form is of this form. આ પ્રકારનું થઈ ગયું. તો હવે આપણે એનો આન્સર આપી શકીએ. This one to as it is, minus 1 n time constant raised to n minus 1. So minus 2 by 6 square. That is minus 2 by 36. That is minus 1 by 18. Clear? Now see, now you are able to solve this question as well as this one. Of course, this type of already solved. Of course, you can solve this question also. So up to this stage, these all are for you. I'm leaving for homework. Now see. Now let us see this type of solve. Limit x tends to 2. Limit x tends to 2. 10 minus x cube root minus 2 minus 10 minus x minus 2 over x minus 2 over x minus 2. This one is given to us. Now see here, variable raised to n is given to us. So how we write it? This one, limit x tends to 2. 10 minus x raised to 1 by 3. Now put x is equal to 2 here. What we get? 10 minus 2, that is 8. So can I write here 8 raised to 1 by 3? Yes, 2 cube raised to 1 by 3. Now it is variable raised to n minus constant raised to n over what we need? We need variable minus constant. So variable minus constant. If we simplify it, what we get? X minus 2. Clear? But actual step is limit variable raised to n minus constant raised to n over variable minus constant at that time. Variable tends to constant. Put reason. X tends to 2 implies 10 minus x tends to 8. Now of course it is in that form, standard form. 1 by 3, 8 raised to 1 by 3 minus 1. 1 by 3, 2 cube raised to minus 2 by 3. So 1 by 3, 2 raised to minus 2. So that comes out 1 by 12. Clear? Of course. So now you are able to solve this type of question. Now please see here. In this question, I am taking x tends to minus 1 plus. That is x greater than minus 1. So x plus 1 is greater than 0. The square root is defined only when that quantity is positive quantity. This is the reason why here we are computing right hand limit. અહીંયા આપણે right hand limit compute કરવાની છે. So let us see here. Limit x tends to minus 1. Whenever you are taking x tends to minus 1, you are taking any root. Square root, cube root, let us I am taking cube root. X raised to 5 plus 1 plus 7th root of x raised to 7 plus 1 over 5th root of x raised to 9 plus 1. No problem. Once again see, in every sum, we have to see inside of the square root, cube root, 5th root, variable raised to n, variable raised to n, variable raised to n is given. Here 5 is there. So how to arrange this type of question? Now 1 minute, see here. F of x is equal to x raised to 5 plus 1. G of x is equal to cube root of x. Then image of image, g of f of x. Image of image. What is f of x? X raised to 5 plus 1. See here, this one. Now, g of x is equal to cube root of x. So, g of y is equal to cube root of y. G of 2 is equal to cube root of 2, taking x is equal to 2. So, g of some function, that is equal to cube root of that function. Now, g of some function, that is equal to cube root of some function. Image of image. Image of image. In 12th standard we are going to see in detail that type of function is called composite function. પ્રતિબિંબનું પ્રતિબિંબ એવા વિધેયને સંયોજિત વિધેય કહેવાય. તો એની આપણે અહીંયા શું કામ જરૂર પડી? Why I would like to explain this one. Because to find out limit x tends to a, g of f of x is equal to g of limit x tends to a f of x. That means we can insert limit to innermost function. અંદરના વિધેય સુધીના લક્ષને આપણે ઇન્સર્ટ કરી શકીએ, અંદર લઈ જઈ શકીએ. And that is known as limit of composite function. Right now we are going to discuss that thing also. But image of image, whenever we want to find limit of composite function, that means we need to find limit of innermost function. So see here, next step, limit x tends to -1, x raised to 5 minus -1 raised to 5. Can I write it? Yes. Over x minus -1 into x minus -1 raised to 5. Sorry, cube. Raised to cube. Plus x raised to 7 minus 1 raised to 7 over x minus -1 into x minus -1 raised to 1 by 7. And denominator quantity x raised to 9 minus 1 raised to 9 over x minus -1 x minus -1 whole raised to 1 by 5. Clear? Now see here, that is equal to, give the limit, limit x tends to -1 x raised to 5 minus 1 raised to 5 over x minus -1 whole raised to 1 by 3. We are inserting limit in cube root. આ ગણમૂળની અંદર લક્ષને આપણે ઇન્સર્ટ કરીએ છીએ. Into limit x tends to -1 x plus 1 cube. See here x plus 1 cube, here we get x plus 1 raised to 7, here we get x plus 1 raised to square. 1 minute. Here also I am going to write cube root. Sorry, huh? Here also write cube root. So here what we get? 1 by 3. So x plus 1 cube common from this factor and this factor. If we cancel it, then what we get? This one as it is plus bracket limit x tends to -1 x raised to 7 minus -1 raised to 7 over x minus -1. From rest of 1 by 1/3 part is gone. Here also 1/3 part is gone. So 1 plus 1 raised to 1 by 3 is taken common. 1 by 7 minus 1 by 3. So 3 minus 7 by 21. That is minus 4 by 21. So that is also not work. So write square root. So if you get 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, that is 1 by 6. Yes, positive is there. So here also take square root, only square root. So here what you get? Only 1 by 2. So remaining term, limit x tends to -1 x plus 1 raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. That comes out 3 minus 2 by 6. That comes out 1 by 6. That is 1 by 6. In denominator quantity, what is the form? Because x minus 1 raised to 1 by 3 from here and taken from here common. That get cancelled. Limit x tends to -1 x raised to -9 minus 1 raised to 9 over x minus -1 raised to 1 by 3. Clear? Yes. Now, of course, all are of the standard form. What we get the answer? -1 raised to 5 into -1 raised to 4 whole raised to 1 by 3 plus -7 raised into minus 1 raised to 6 into raised to 1 by 2 into 0, because x tends to minus 1, 0, over 9 minus 1 raised to 8 raised to 1 by 3. So what we get here? 5 raised to 1 by 3 plus 0 over 9 raised to 1 by 3. So what we get? 5 by 9 raised to 1 by 3. Of course, now you are able to solve this question also. Here. Now let us see this one as well as this one. So here what we get? X raised to n minus 2 raised to n over this one is given to us. Clear? Now we want n. Limit x tends to 2, x raised to n minus 2 raised to n over x minus 2 is equal to 192 is given. Answer is given. And we want value of n. Can I write 192 is equal to limit x tends to 2, x raised to n minus 2 raised to n over x minus 2? Yes. That is equal to n times 2 raised to n minus 1. Why? Because variable tends to constant. Variable raised to n minus constant raised to n over variable minus constant is given. So, n times constant raised to n minus 1. So, n into 2 raised to n minus 1. Now, we have to arrange in terms of this part. Now, first of all, 192 divided by 2. 2 9s are 18. 1, 2. 2, 6 are. Clear? So, that is 96 into 2. So, 96 means 48 into 2. So, 48 into 2 into 2. So, 12 into 4 into 2 into 2. N into 2 raised to n minus 1. Now, 12 into this into 2 raised to 4. Now, 6 into 2 into 2 raised to 4. So, 6 into 2 raised to 5. So, that comes out 192. So, can I write here 6 into 2 raised to 6 minus 1 is equal to n times 2 raised to n minus 1? Yes. So, here power is 6. See, power is, base is 2. So, we have to arrange in multiple of 2. So, this gives n is equal to 6. Clear? In this way we can solve it. Now, see here. Next one, limit x tends to 1, x raised to 2009 plus 1 over x raised to n plus 1 is equal to 2009 by 2011, where n not equal to 2n, m belongs to n, implies n is equal to what? Clear? Now, n not equal to 2m means n is not even, means n is odd. n not equal to 2m છે એનો મતલબ શું થાય? તો કે n યુગ્મ નથી, તો n કેવો થશે? અયુગ્મ થશે. ક્લિયર? યસ. નાઉ here not x tends to 1, limit x raised to 2009 minus 1 raised to 9. Here x tends to -1 over x raised to n minus 1 raised to n. X tends to -1. What is the answer is given? 209 by 2011. Now that is equal to limit x tends to -1, x raised to 2009 minus 1 raised to 2009, sorry, is odd power, over x minus -1 over limit x tends to -1, x raised to n minus -1 raised to n over x minus -1. So that is equal to 2009 minus 1 raised to 2008 over n into -1 raised to n minus 1. Here we get 2009 and here we get n. Why? N is odd. So n minus 1 is even. જો n અયુગ્મ હોય તો n minus 1 કેવા થાય? યુગ્મ થાય. તો -1 ની યુગ્મ ઘાત કેટલા થાય? 1. -1 raised to even power comes out 1. So what we get? We get 2009 by 2011 is equal to 2009 over n. So n is equal to 2011. ખ્યાલ આવે છે મિત્રો? વેરી ગુડ. હજી એક એ પેટર્નના સમ લેવાની કોશિશ કરીએ મિત્રો આપણે. સિમ્પલ સમ છે પણ ટ્રાય કરીએ. ચલો. લિમિટ x tends to 0 under root 1 plus x square minus 1 over x. But see here. Here we are not able to arrange in that form. 1 plus x square raised to 1 by 2. So this is variable is given to us. But denominator quantity only single x is there. We are not able to arrange 1 plus x square in denominator quantity. Then what we have to do? In that case, whenever square root of plus or minus some function, square root of some function plus or minus some function, either in numerator or in denominator quantity, અંશ કે છેદમાં વર્ગમૂળમાં કોઈક વિધેય પ્લસ ઓર માઇનસ કોઈક વિધેય આપેલું હોય, then rationalize it. તો એનું આપણે કરણી કરવાની. And whenever square root of some function plus or minus square root of some function is given to us, then also we have to rationalize. એવા સંજોગોમાં પણ આપણે શું કરવાની હોય? કરણી કરવાની હોય. That is equal to limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x square minus 1 multiplied and divided by conjugate factor. અનુબદ્ધ અવયવ વડે અંશ અને છેદને ગુણવા પડે. 1 plus x square plus 1. ક્લિયર? તો આ શું થશે? That is equal to limit x tends to 0. A minus b, a plus b. So a square plus b square, a square minus b square. So square root of that is equal to this thing over minus 1 upon x into under root of 1 plus x square plus 1. So 1 get cancelled. Same time take x common from numerator with what we get? 1 plus x over x into under root of 1 plus x square plus 1. X get cancelled. So that is equal to limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x over under root of 1 plus x square plus 1. Now put the limit. 1 plus 0 under root 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. So that comes out 1 by 2. તો આ ટાઈપનો સમ તમે કોઈ આપેલો હોય તો ઇઝીલી ગણી શકો. So let us, I would like to give the some sums. Limit x tends to 0, root 3 minus x minus 1 over 2 minus x. Limit x tends to 4, 3 minus root 5 plus x, 1 minus root 5 minus x. Here rationalize numerator as well as denominator quantity. અંશ અને છેદની કરણી લેવાની. Limit x tends to 0, 2 minus x, 2 plus x over x likewise. Clear? Rest of thing we are going to see in next lecture. બાકીનો ભાગ છે આપણે બીજા લેક્ચરમાં જોઈશું.